There is already more than 600 dedicated apps for Apple Vision Pro headset, but YouTube is not amongst them. Last month, when Google was asked why they are not launching an app, they said they have no plan as such to develop an app. A few weeks have gone since then, and yesterday Google did a 180 and they told The Verge that it got a Vision Pro app on the roadmap. Unfortunately, it did not say when we can expect to see the app on the Apple headset. Meanwhile, Google said they are supporting Vision Pro by ensuring YouTube users have a great experience on Safari. This is quite a big development, as normally companies don't deny any interest in any new product the way Google did. Even less than of an ordinary occurrence for them to change their mind so quickly. What really happened? Nobody understood. Maybe it can be because the Vision Pro had an initial big launch compared to what Google and YouTube anticipated, or might be the popularity of a third-party YouTube app, which is $5, that already exists on the Vision Pro, and it has already reached number 3 in the photos and video category in the App Store download. We can never understand the reasons of these companies, but the point is, if you want an official app, you're getting one. Whenever that lands, it's unlikely to support 360-degree and VR YouTube videos. Those already are on YouTube but not created for the Vision Pro, since none of them work in Safari either. That's because Apple thinks they're not good enough. An Apple spokesperson said, much of this content are created for devices that do not deliver a high-quality spatial experience. In some cases, this content could cause a motion discomfort. We focused our efforts on delivering the best spatial media experience possible, including spatial photos and videos, Apple immersive videos, and 3D movies available on Apple TV.